Hey Lamar, how's it going guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's not the brightest, we are starting bright and early. It is... what time is it? It is 7:45 and we have another Polo. Different one to the last one you guys saw, but I can show you guys what we're cooking with. We're going to be doing some changes on the Polo. She's currently a mess. As you guys can see, there's just stuff everywhere. Everything's in that needs to be in for the most part. We're just gonna make it look nice, as we always do, or try to at least. So I'm gonna get set up. I've got a bunch of material and stuff that we're gonna be working with. I'm really happy with this material. Oof, that diamond stitching just looks super sick. So we're gonna be working on that today. I'm about to set up all my stuff, and then we're just gonna get cracking, eh? This car needs to be, we need to build the switch panel, build the boot over, and just basically put the whole thing back together, and then test that everything functions correctly. So we're gonna get started with that. You guys will see that now. Alright, we're back at it. Captain Geordie is here. You guys would have seen him already. I obviously didn't announce his arrival, but tank is in over there, set up on its legs. Compressor is going to lay on its side there. We'll just have to migrate the feet, and then management will be on the left. And then we have the board over here. I'm about to round the edges, and then we're going to start with material. So we're making really good progress, going a lot faster than we hoped. So yeah, I'm going to get to that now, and you guys will see that.
Cool. Update video. So this is how the boot's looking now. Ricardo got the tank rat. So this is how it's going to look. The management block is going to sit underneath, probably around about there. The compressor is going to sit around about there, and then he's got the rest of the space to use as boot space. Those two pieces of wood are just there for now, but they're not going to be there forever. But this is how it looks now. We're quite stoked with how it came out. It's nice and clean, simple, and yeah, so far so good. We're making good progress. I think now we're just going to finalize the boot, and then we're going to start doing all the other stuff, so installing the compressor, or mounting the compressor, mounting the management block, and then running the wires and stuff. Okay, update video again. We're busy sorting out the switches now for the front and rear bags, and the switch for the compressor. So Ricardo and I are just busy sorting out the wiring and the plugs. And then I've already showed you the rear of the car. But this is how the rear looks with the seats up. We're very chuffed with how it came out, very clean, very simple. So yeah, now it's basically just to sort out everything here within the car, make a switch panel, and then just put the interior back together, and we should be happy. Are we happy?
I'm pretty happy.
Happy.
How's it going, guys? Welcome back. I say welcome back. We are finally finished with Chad's car. This is the Polo. She's bagged. As you can see, we put the different struts in. Different wheel size, obviously get him a much better tuck. But for now, she's looking awesome. I want to show you guys what we did. We didn't do anything too crazy on this one. Is this one still unlocked? Yes, it is. So there's still some small stuff to do, which will happen in the near future. But just to show you guys where we're at. This vent will be coming out. That will be holding, actually not this one will be coming out, and that will be holding his gauge. Then we have another gauge that's over there, which is holding it's his tank gauge, basically, so he can read tank pressure. We didn't want to put it in display, so it's not the nicest of gauges, as you can see. So we just popped it in the cubby, and then we've got his switch panel over here. Let me just adjust this brightness for you guys. There you go. This is probably distorted as hell, but yeah, these are just the switch panels up and down. And do that. And then to show you guys the boot, this is the boot finished. I think it looks flipping awesome. Just add a little bit of light. Went for a very basic setup, so you can still use his boot. It's obviously just, we went for a carpet, we couldn't get the exact same carpet, and then we've got this diamond stitching on the tank, plus a little gauge there, and then the compressor and management is all at the bottom there. So yeah, it's nothing too crazy. It's a nice setup, but like I said, you know, he wanted something basic but functional, and that's what we did. So owner's on his way to come fetch the car now. He's really happy with it. If you guys did enjoy the video, please like and subscribe. Let us know what you guys think in the comment section. I know this is a bit bright, sorry about the lighting, but yeah, we had an awesome time making this. It's such a neat setup, I'm really proud of it. And to give you guys a sneak peek of what's coming in the next video, you guys can see there. Maybe I'll blur it out, I don't know, we'll see. All you need to know is Brandon's car's back again, and we're doing some crazy car. The boot is going to be next level. You can see already there, that's going to be the backboard. yeah, that's all I can say. You guys are gonna have to wait to see that. Like and subscribe. Let us know what you guys think, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for coming. Cheers.
What? The drill?
No. The hand drill. That's the jigsaw. Here's a jig.